Walking over here to the construction site. We decided to follow Top Class Bros instructions or suggestions or motivation, you could say. So come on over here and do a little construction, get started. So we got to start. We got ourselves a 7-day start right over here. Well, here I am back again. I've been so busy, and Maizie has been so busy too for the last while. The last 7 days? Yeah. This is day 7th of a house project. I'm about to go on our construction site and show you what go on over here. Decided to follow Top Class Bros instructions or suggestions or motivation, you could say. So come on over here and do a little construction, get started. So we got to start. We got ourselves a 7-day start right over here.
Hey, yo.
As you can see, we got all kinds of bumbleclot and what have you going on over here. It's a pretty rowdy bunch doing the construction over here, but we're happy to have every one of them. See, look at them, watch them. Watch them. They are a rowdy bunch. You'd like to see such a rowdy bunch as we got over here working for us, but we're getting some work done. Now this is construction Jamaican style right here. This is the way they do it in Jamaica. They all come together, and it's all a lot of manual labor, not a lot of machinery. They do have a mixer here because they're pouring a foundation today in what soon is going to be the house. And you hear the yelling and the bumbleclotting and all that. Nobody's mad about anything. But when you got loud machinery and loud people, you got to bumbleclot and yell and all that so people can hear you. If you don't get their attention, they're not going to hear you. So that's why you got to do all that. So I'm going to walk around and show you the side here. All right, here we go. Over here we got the garage. It looks like we're almost done. Yeah, you're almost done, man. Yeah. Oh, man. Bless up. Blessing. See, it looks good. See it come down here? Oh yeah, this looks real good. A week ago today, there was nothing here. I'd been over here chopping out weeds. You saw some of my weed chopping videos, and part of it was over here. So, but you can see all the work being done there. They're on the finishing stages here. But there was about 40 people over here this morning when I looked over. This right here is one of the few sections not done yet. I'm talking to the camera. Okay. I said, Mr. Cameraman, This right here, one of the few sections not done.
Yeah, you're not done. Okay.
Looks like that's about the only one. Everything else is filling in. It looks like. Right, you're getting down the end. Yeah. I couldn't believe, you know, we went to town. My wife and I went to town. Yeah. And I couldn't believe when I walked around. Look, where'd the gravel go? We had, look at, see that? That was 20 tons of gravel. Yeah. And 20 tons of sand, or 9 tons yards, which is about the same actually, when I got here this morning. And now it's gone, it's pretty much all gone.
So we are closing outside now.
Yeah, how many people you got working here today?
We have at least 35.
35 people.
40.
40.
Yeah,
okay.
40 people. So we get food for them.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, you know.
Yeah, we have to cook food for them.
Yeah, that was really good. Yeah. You did the cooking yourself, I think. No, I know. I went over there and I bought some chicken from her myself.
Nice. Yeah.
I don't know the lady's name, but I went over to her shop.
Baby man.
Okay.
So 18 people left to get food.
Eat. Oh, to get, oh.
We have about 40 at some there,
okay, about 40 people.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, more.
Well, you're a hell of a cook to cook for 40 people.
Yeah. You're something there.
You know, it's been a long week. It's been a hard week. We've had trucks stuck. We had a leak. We got a tank that leaked. We just, you know, we've had different issues on getting everything lined out for everybody. Not the line out was fine, but you know, just been hectic and busy. And what we thought was going to be about maybe a 3 or 4 week process would be fast. And here it is 7 days later, and the last stage of this phase of the project is nearly complete.